Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Curtains Sewing Patterns is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding DIY projects you can undertake, allowing you to completely transform the look and feel of any room with custom-made window treatments that perfectly match your decor and style. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner looking to add a personal touch to your home, these patterns offer a clear roadmap to creating professional-looking curtains, from simple panels to more elaborate designs, ensuring a beautiful and functional addition to your living space that reflects your unique taste and enhances your home's ambience. Number 5. Simplicity 1383 Window Valances Sewing Patterns. Transform your living space with these simple sewing patterns. Add a touch of homey comfort to any room with ease. This set includes patterns for 5 distinct Valance styles. You'll have plenty of options to choose from to match your decor. Designed to fit windows ranging from 36 to 40 inches wide. Achieve a custom look that perfectly complements your window size. Explore unique features like reversible designs, scalloped hems, and elegant inverted pleats. Each style offers a different way to enhance your windows. Crafted with quality in the USA, these patterns come with easy-to-follow instructions in both English and Spanish. What we like. This pattern offers 5 distinct Valance styles to choose from. It's designed to fit a range of window widths, making it versatile. If you're looking to add a cozy, homemade touch to your windows with minimal fuss, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The finished curtains look professional and elegant. The pattern includes multiple size options, which was very convenient. Number 4. Simplicity 1152 Curtain Sewing Patterns. Create beautiful curtains for your home with ease. This pattern set is perfect for beginners and includes options for various lengths. You'll find patterns for short panels, a mid-length option, and a full-length set of drapes. Tailor them to fit any window perfectly. These templates allow you to customize the fit based on your window size. Yardage charts are included to help you choose the right amount of fabric. Enhance your home decor with curtains that are both functional and fashionable. Choose full drapes for light blockage or decorative panels. Refer to the pattern instructions for fabric recommendations, including suggestions for machine-washable materials. Enjoy your new, stylish window treatments. What we like. This set provides patterns for various curtain lengths, from short panels to full drapes. You can tailor them precisely to your window dimensions. If you need curtains that are both stylish and serve a specific purpose, like light blockage or purely decorative enhancement, this pattern is ideal. What people say. The patterns are well drafted and easy to follow, even for a beginner. I love the variety of styles included in this pattern set. There's something for every room. The instructions are clear and concise, with helpful diagrams. Number 3. MCCALL'S Patterns M4408 Window Essentials. Create beautiful valances and panels for your home with this easy-to-use sewing pattern. It's designed for all skill levels. No more guessing or buying multiple patterns. This envelope conveniently contains all the sizes you'll need for a perfect fit. Everything you need is right here. You'll find all the necessary pattern pieces and clear, step-by-step sewing instructions. This pattern is made by MCCALL'S Patterns, a trusted name in sewing for generations. You can rely on the quality. Proudly printed in the USA, this pattern reflects a commitment to quality craftsmanship. Get started on your next project today. What we like. This pattern conveniently includes all sizes in a single envelope, covering both valances and panels. It simplifies the process of selecting the right pattern for your project. If you appreciate the convenience of having all options readily available and want to create coordinating window treatments, this is a great option. What people say. The patterns are easy to follow and include clear instructions. The finished curtains look professional and stylish. Great variety of styles to choose from. Number 2. Simplicity US 1176 OS Curtain Sewing Pattern. This pattern helps you make your own cafe or full-length curtains. It includes everything you need to go from fabric to a finished product. Inside, you'll find printed tissue pattern pieces and illustrated instructions. The envelope also lists suggested fabrics and notions for your shopping convenience. Simplicity has been a trusted name in sewing since 1927. Proudly made in the USA, our patterns are known for accuracy and ease of use. Make it uniquely yours by choosing your own colors, fabrics, and details. Achieve a custom handmade look you won't find anywhere else. This is a satisfying project for sewists of all levels. Refresh your space with custom handmade details that perfectly match your decor. What we like. This pattern allows you to create both charming cafe curtains and elegant full-length curtains. You have complete freedom to choose fabrics and trims for a unique look. If you enjoy the process of sewing and want to craft personalized window decor that perfectly matches your style, this pattern is a wonderful choice. What people say. The pattern pieces are clearly marked and easy to understand. The instructions are detailed and include helpful diagrams. The finished curtains look professional and elegant. Number 1. Simplicity SS9571 OS Window Valance Sewing Pattern Kit. Easily create custom window valances with this comprehensive sewing pattern kit. It's designed for windows approximately 40 inches wide, featuring a convenient 3-inch rod pocket. This kit offers 4 distinct valance styles to match your decor. Choose from patterns B, C, and D, each providing a unique look for your windows. Inside, you'll find everything you need: sewing templates, fabric recommendations, pattern pieces, sizing guides, and clear instructions for all variations. Pattern B offers flexibility and direction, while Pattern C and D provide options for pleated valances or a single rod design. Simplicity patterns aren't just for clothing. Explore endless possibilities for home decor, organization, accessories, and even pet supplies. These sewing pattern templates are proudly designed and printed right here in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting domestic manufacturing. What we like. This pattern kit provides 4 different valance styles, specifically designed for 40-inch wide windows with a 3-inch rod pocket. It streamlines the process for a common window size. If you have windows of this specific width and want to quickly add stylish valances, this pattern is perfectly suited for you. What people say. The patterns are easy to follow and the instructions are clear. I love the variety of styles included in this pattern set. The finished curtains look professional and elegant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.